Welcome! Are you looking for an easy way to view all the PDF files shared in your Messenger app chats on your PC? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to access and view those shared PDFs, especially after the new update that has made things even simpler. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your account. The Messenger interface will quickly load up, giving you access to all your chats. Next, locate the chat where the PDF files were shared. You can either scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar to find it faster. Once you've found the chat you want to explore, go ahead and click on it. This is a crucial step. From the right side menu, click on Media and Files. You'll notice different options populating the screen that pertain to the chat. This is where things get exciting, as you'll find all the media and files shared in this particular conversation. Finally, choose the Files option. Here, you will see a detailed list of all files sent and received in your selected chat, including PDFs. Just click on the desired PDF to view or download it directly, making it easier than ever to keep track of your important documents shared over Messenger. And that's it. Viewing all shared PDFs on Messenger is now a breeze. With this new update, you can easily access your important files without any hassle. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.